everyone, a few months ago I put a video on YouTube with my cover of 15 by Taylor Swift, and I've had a few comments since then about which chords I used, how I did the video. So this video will be in two parts. The first part would be which chords I used, and for those of you with a mandolin I'll show you what the positions are on the mandolin to play the chords as well. Second part of the video will be the split screen and how I did that. So you'll need 4 chords for this song. G is 2nd fret, 3rd string, and 3rd fret, last string, if you can see that. C is similar to G but move it up 1. E minor is 2nd fret, 2 middle strings, and D is the 2nd fret, 2 outer strings. So that's an easy one, you can see that right there. Hope you like it. Right, so for the verse, pretend the D doesn't exist at all. Okay, so it starts with G, and then C, then E minor, then back to C. And this is all the way through the first verse until the word before, where you stay on the C. So this is the example. You take a deep breath and you walk through the doors. It's the morning of your very first day. You say hi to your friends you ain't seen in a while. Try and stay out of everybody's way. And the second part goes exactly the same. Hoping one of those senior boys will wink at you and say, you know I haven't seen you around before. Right, the chorus is where the first D major chord comes in. So you start with a G, the root chord, and then E minor, then D, and then back to C. Second part of the chorus goes G, then D, then E minor, and then C. Then the line that starts count to 10, you go E minor, then D, then G, D, C, and then D, at 15. Now this is a pretty short section. I think the bridge has 2 specific parts. There's this bit, which is a chord pattern that isn't used in any other part of the song. So I'll play this through and the words will come up on the screen, so you can play along as well. So it goes C, 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 E minor, E minor, E minor, E minor, D, 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 G, D, C, D. And the next bit is just the verse chords, so you can just refer back to the earlier bit in the video where I showed you how to play the verse. And finally the outro, which is the same as the introduction. So it goes G, C, E minor, back to C. So then you end up with something like la 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 la. Your very first day. You take a deep breath, girl. Take a deep breath as you walk through the doors. For this video I used iMovie because I'm practically useless at everything else. I filmed both videos separately, so I'll do one on one side and then I'll use a separate take to film myself on the other side. When both videos are filmed, you would use the green screen effect. You would drag one side onto the final version and then you would drag the other side that you filmed separately on top of it. Use the green screen effect to put them on top of each other so that both videos play alongside each other at the same time. And I kept time by listening to my iPod to the actual version and playing along on the mandolin. Thanks for watching and I hope you found this helpful.